urgent, the anger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala are Jewish. Those people who knew the truth but doesn't like to receive. Doesn't like to
Jewish and the Christian.
Take it.
Nasara.
Doesn't like to admit it. Doesn't like to follow it. Like the Jewish. They know the truth.
They know the
Upon it, do you know who are they? They are the Christians.
Christian.
They are the Christians who just follow blindly their priests, their pastors, their religious, the religious people. So we, as Muslims, we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at least 17 times that we are like away from these two groups. One is their characteristics. They know the truth, but they don't like to follow it. And the second one, they doesn't like to know the truth. They like pleased without knowledge. Allah who are gone astray. So a Muslim, according to the ulama, if he knows the truth and doesn't like to follow the truth, he will be among these people, the first group. And those people who doesn't like to know the truth, the second group doesn't like to know the truth, then this group will be among the Abdali. Wala'udhu billah.
Ligaw.
So, Allahu Alam Bisab, that's all for today. And most of us are like
There are those who
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Orang taon. Marayang parkuan yan. Nakam?
After when we come back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from our trip, there will be a question and answer, inshallah.
Pag-answer ka mo, saan kuhan? Regalo yan eh. Tadyaman niya bunal, kita regalo niya. Kaya handaan niya pala yan.